Do you know many people are having trouble with the general alarm message on their DeLonghi PrimaDonna ESAM 6600? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Clean the appliance. Step 1. Check if the inside of the appliance is very dirty and clean thoroughly. Step 2. Empty ground funnel. Step 2. Ensure that the ground coffee funnel is not clogged and empty if necessary. Step 3. Adjust coffee amount. Step 3. Verify if too many coffee beans or too much ground coffee has been added and adjust accordingly. Step 4. Select milder option. Step 4. Select a milder taste or reduce the quantity of ground coffee. Then try running off the coffee again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the general alarm issue and get your coffee maker working again. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other DeLonghi users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.